Kuseyindida namanje ukuthi leli gciwane lisabalale kanjani lisuka emazweni asentshonalanga ye-Afrika laze lafika lapha eNingizimu Afrika. Kulabo abatholakale naleli gciwane kuleli, akekho noyedwa oseke wavakashela emazweni angaphandle.
In 2022, we did report some cases of mpox, and nationally it was 5 cases that were reported, and 2 were coming from Gauteng province. However, the way the cases have been reported, there were some not intermittent of the cases. We're not reporting them as we are reporting in 2024.
Kodwa ke izibalo ziyaqhubeka nokwenyuka.
We have 20 suspected cases. The tests are currently underway at National Health Laboratory Services.
Ababhekele imingcele sebeqalile ukuhlola labo abangenayo nabaphumayo emingceleni yakuleli ukuthi abanalo yini leli gciwane.
Whatever is done here at Lanseria is being done at Beitbridge now as we speak. Most of the buses that will come to South Africa from the Central African countries, they will come through Beitbridge.
Kuqhuqhuzelwe abantu ukuthi bageze izandla ukubulala amagciwane.